Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be creating this pink aesthetic makeup look for you guys. From the title, you could see that I said that it was like a filled look. First thing first is that this dress here, I mean, it looks beautiful on the top, but trust me, the bottom, from like the button to the zip, everything is just so tight. Even though this is like size L, I feel like it is a beautiful dress, but definitely more on like a petite size because I wouldn't say I'm large. I'm pretty sure I'm like more like a medium Asian size, and I got this in large and it's already like quite tight on me. So yeah, I mean, it's a lovely dress, but it just didn't work out for me, just more like the top area. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get started with this look. For the eyeshadow, I want to focus on like pink shades, and I've decided to go for like a warm pink shade. This is by the brand PETITE, and this is their Falling in eyeshadow palette in number 3, Falling in Pink. I will also use the Daisique eyeshadow palette in number 4, Pastel Dream, because I really want to use this pink shade as well, just to blend everything out. I'm going to use this to apply on the crease area because I want everything to be pink but also deepen up my lid space. Now using the Peach Sea palette and applying this light mauvey pink all over the lid space. It has a bit of like a brown tone shade to it as well, but this definitely looks really nice as like a base color, but at the lower lash line. Going back to the Daisique palette, I'm just gonna apply a bit more shimmer on the lid space. I'm going to line my eyes with this pink coral shade from Colourpop and just create a nice wink at the end. Because I'm putting falsies on top, I'm going to line my eyes with a brown eyeliner, like really thinly, just so that the lash line of the eyelashes will blend well into the eyeliner. I'm gonna apply mascara on the lower lash line. I did a little boo-boo here on my eyeliner and it just wouldn't move, so I'm just gonna try and cover it up possibly with this glitter liner. Eye makeup is done. We're gonna jump straight into the blush. I'm using this LILYBYRED Love Bean Chick in number 2. I'm not sure what it is in Korean, but it's pretty much like a pink pastel shade, and I'm gonna use a whole ton of this. So mainly apply this on my cheekbones area and apply the leftover on my nose, but also at the same time making this really obvious on the nose, because you know, it's all about that aesthetic look, right? I'm gonna do something really weird where I'm going to use the Roman glitter. I'm gonna use it to represent like freckles potentially, but like we'll see if it actually works because I'm not sure. I have a highlighter here, and this is from the Saem. This is the Luminous Multi Highlighter, which I haven't used before. Looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna swirl it like this, like a whole ton of it. Gives more like a gold reflective. This is the Peripera Ink Airy stick in number 16, which is the new addition to the collection. Blend the top out. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, it's not perfect. There's definitely a few mistakes here and there, from you know, the eye to the freckles and this dress here, but I hope you guys enjoy watching this failed aesthetic look, and let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know if you want me to be more creative, trying to create more looks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.